Hello students, today's lesson is irregular verbs. Irregular verbs in English. Did you know that about 70% of the time when we use a verb in English, it is irregular? Irregular verbs can make you go crazy, but in fact they follow some patterns. In this lesson, you will learn groups of irregular verbs that will help you remember them better. The first group is irregular verbs with all three forms identical. These verbs are the same in the present, past, and past participle. For example, put, present. I always put the milk in the refrigerator. Past, yesterday I put the yogurt in the refrigerator. Present perfect uses the past participle. I have already put the yogurt in the refrigerator. Other verbs with all three forms identical include bet, let, burst, cost, cut, fit, hit, hurt, put, quit, set, shut, split, and spread. Verbs with identical present and past participle forms. Past form is different. Come, came, come. Become, became, become. Run, rang, run. Verbs with n in the past participle. You can divide into 4 subgroups. With o in the past and past participle. With o in the past only. Past verbs ending ew. Past participle own and other. Verbs with n in the past participle. Subgroup 1. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Get, got, gotten. Speak, spoke, spoken. Steal, stole, stolen. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. In this subgroup, the vowel changes to o in past and past participle. Subgroup 2 has o in the past, but not in the past participle. Drive, drove, driven. Ride, rode, ridden. Rise, rose, risen. Write, wrote, written. Subgroup 3. Fly, flew, flown. Grow, grew, grown. Know, knew, known. Throw, threw, thrown. Subgroup 4. Other. Bite, bit, bitten. Hide, hid, hidden. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Give, gave, given. See, saw, seen. Shake, shook, shaken. Take, took, taken. Verbs with the pronunciation changes long E to short E. Keep, kept, kept. Sleep, slept, slept. Feel, felt, felt. Bled, bled, bled. feed, fed, fed, meet, met, met. Verbs with pronunciation changes, EA pronounced differently. Deal, dealt, dealt. Mean, mint, mint. Read, read, read. Hear, heard, heard. Verbs with pronunciation changes, long I changes to OU. Bind, bound, bound. Find, found, found. Grind, ground, ground. Wind, wound, wound. Short I changes to U. Dig, dug, dug. Stick, stuck, stuck. Spin, spun, spun. Sting, stung, stung. EL changes to OLD. There are two words, sell and tell. Out and out endings. Pronunciation is same. Spelling is different. OUGHT, AUGHT. G is silent. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Fight, fought, fought. Seek, sought, sought. Teach, taught, taught. Think, thought, thought. Verbs with three different vowels changes from I to A to U. Begin, began, began. Drink, drank, drank. Ring, rang, rang. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Sing, sang, sang. Sink, sank, sunk. Spring, sprang, sprang. Swim, swam, swam. Finally, we have completely irregular verbs. These verbs don't follow any specific pattern. So you just need memorize the past and past participle forms. Am is are, to be, verb, present. Was, were, past. Being, past participle. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. Have, had, make, made, made. Okay, that's all. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.